Now, why this conference and what is this conference all about is a question you may ask. Well, this conference called PM360 is a look at various topics. First of all, we're going to address the state of project management in the world today. We're also going to equip people to become better consultants of project management, if that is something that you're interested in. We're also going to equip people to be great communicators, to understand how to better do it, how to effectively collaborate, how to critically think, and how to be creative. And I'm going to show you a model that I've developed for problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity, such that by the time you leave, you'll be more than equipped to help teams, to help yourself, to help family and friends, to be able to process information, to be able to solve problems, to be more creative, as it were, to get out of the box, to get out of your way. Now, this is sounding like a lot more than project management, and that's because project management is all encompassing.